we're going to explore a simple yet effective method to shield your plants from the relentless munching of snails and slugs. Grab your planter and let's embark on this journey together. With your trusty planter in hand, about 80mm up from the bottom, we're going to apply a strip of copper tape. Not sure where to find this magical tape? Don't fret, check out the link in the description below. And just so you know, it's an affiliate link because your support is blooming marvellous. Now let's add a second layer, slightly above or below the first, but remember, leave a tiny gap. Trust me or thank me later. Make sure to create the little loop at the end again. Perfect. With the tape secure, it's time for the next step. Get your hands on a tic-tac box, have some crocodile clips, fantastic. If not, a standard 9V battery connector will do just fine. Thread the wires through the top of the tic-tac box. Observing polarity, positive to positive, negative to negative, connect your battery. Once you're wired up, tuck everything snugly inside the tic-tac box. Seal the box shut, ensuring the wires protrude neatly from the lid. Seal it tight with the weatherproof tape. You guessed it, the link is in the description. Now we're using tomatoes for demonstration purposes, but feel free to apply this method to any planter in your garden. Hostas, for example, love this protection. Once your plants are in place, attach the positive and negative wires to the copper tapes. There we go, your plants are protected. I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Bear Campers. They have over 25 years of experience crafting exceptional van conversions. Their passion for quality and innovation has earned them a great reputation. Bear Campers have specialised in creating bespoke van conversions tailored to the unique needs of their customers. Whether they're the adventurous soul-seeking types, those needing a mobile base for their outdoor pursuits, or travel influencers exploring the world, they have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Now watch as the snails approach. After just 1 or 2 attempts, they quickly learn to steer clear of the copper tape. Fear not, none of our snail buddies were harmed during the making of this video. We released them back into the wild. Your plants are now shielded from those sneaky invaders. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Until next time.